Hello, great day po sa inyo. My name is Katie. So I am here to share to you a global income opportunity or for your financial and time freedom. All right, we are open and we are here to help you, connect to the world and connect to everyone that would benefit this opportunity. It is a real business, right? It is achievable and it is huge for you and us. Okay, I'm doing this right because I found a great vehicle for my vision, and this is the best vehicle and timely trend of business no, na pwede ko siyang gawin narating yung gusto ko sa buhay, comparing it to the traditional and to any other jobs out there. All right? So, just to give you a bit of my background, I'm an IT graduate po. Graduate po ko ng IT and I took my master's po in Ateneo. And my background don't matter with the goal and yung gusto kong marating dito. Right? So, kahit ano pong background nyo, kahit sino kayo, pwede nyo po itong gawin kasi may ready po yung tools. No? So, nag-work din po ako sa Singapore. I manage two companies. Also, had my own business here. And I'm doing well. It's just this one is really, really big. Alright? So, what is your why in life? Ano po yung desire nyo? So, bakit po kayo mabuhay? Ano yung purpose nyo? Bakit nyo po ginagawa? Right? So, dito po, share po namin sa inyo kung ano yung mas mahalaga, bakit nyo po ito gagawin. Right? So, ano po yung worth nung time nyo? Okay? Paano po nyo binavalue yung time na habang umaandar siya, na-convert nyo into something more productive and for your life and to others, no? Na para nabigyan sila ng added value. Okay? So, ito po yung ilan lang sa mga nag-succeed sa opportunity na ito or business, no? Na nakapag-inspire sa akin, no, to do this. Okay? Some are really making good in real estate. Some, si Samson Lee is na-bankrupt siya. Just read it, see for yourself. They are doing this because they found a real, better vehicle in order for them to achieve what they want in life and in their goal. And this is the smartest way and most practical way of parang ilaan yung oras nyo, time nyo, panahon at lahat for 1, 2, or 3, or even 5 years kapalit yung kabuuan ng lifetime ninyo para makamit yung gusto nyong makamit. Right? So practically, ito po siya. Okay. Ito yung mga testimonies lang po. Okay? So, kaya niyo po ito. So, lahat po tayo, no? We were wishing, okay? And we have the desire to have that quality life. Whether you want a car, you want cars, you want a house, travel the world, and everything, have family, and all. So, what choices do we have? Okay, first, if you have money, okay, you can put up your own McDonald's. Okay? And in putting up McDonald's, you will have to have at least 30 or 50 million capital, no? And may system po ang McDonald's, and ang problema, wala po siyang, hindi rin po siyang guaranteed. Right? And gusto niyo mas maliit na business, put up your own cart, and mas maliit din po yung makikita nyo. May punan din po yan. Ang kaso, wala rin po siyang guarantee. Okay? So what's the global trend of business? Smartest way to do a business na affordable siya, kaya ng lahat, at may system in place na pwedeng gawin ng lahat, wherever you are. Right? So, meron din tayong tinatawag na 40-40-20 system in order to achieve what you want in life or goal in life. Let's say you are working now, you have a job, okay? You spend 40 hours a week and 40 hours for 40 years and save at least 20% if you can save, okay? So, that's very risky. So, I don't think most of us can achieve this, no? And what I'd like to share to you is a smarter way of para makamit nyo yung gusto nyo sa buhay. Okay? So, ito po siya. So, let me just introduce to you ano po yung tinatawag nating residual and active income. Active income po yung ginagawa nyo ngayon if you are having your own job, and if you are having your business, you are after the residual. Meaning, wala na kayong ginagawa, or kung ano man yung gusto nyo gawin, nag-duplicate po yung pera nyo. Sa active income po, i-compare po natin siya dun sa residual. Right? Okay, for let's say Okay, if you are making, let's say, 40,000 a month, okay, comparing it to the residual, which is 1 peso, na nag-duplicate, ano pong pipiliin nyo in 30 months? Okay, of course, we'll choose the left. Okay, first month, second month, third month, fourth month, up to 12 months. Okay, sa 40,000, multiply nyo sa 12. You're making a lot. Okay, ito sa duplicating, sa nag-start kayo sa 1 peso, in 12 months, you're only making 2,048. But try and take a look at this. Right. For 20 months, mas malaki pa rin sa left. Okay? That's 20 months. You only made 524,000 for 20 months in your duplicating residual income, which is the formula and pattern that we are following now, comparing it to what you're doing now. So for 30 months, kumita kayo ng 1.2, no? And for that period of time, you work, pay your expenses, itanggalin nyo. Let's say wala kayong natanggal. Naka-intact yung 1.2 million. Tingnan nyo sa kanan. You make 536 million. Right? And very few are being educated to know this. Yung mga 5% ng buong mundo yung mayayaman, sila lang yung natuturuan nito. Most of us were taught, no, to study, apply for a job and all, so we are being parang nagkakaigot tayo sa position and all, and yet we are not having that quality life. So this is the most practical way of having that life, and it's the smartest way, wherever you are. Okay, so ito po yung business natin. Is more on, okay, sa desire nyo and dream nyo. Do you have a dream? Okay, so everything begins with the perception in your business. So, of course, you will choose to have a business than working. Diba? So, kahit compute nyo, mag-work kayo, nasa nyo po yan. So, if you have a big dream, big goals, you need to, okay, try to compare, no? Ito po yung sa ginagawa nyo. So, it's up to you, no? Perception nyo. Gusto nyo ba yung maliit na business or malaking business? Gusto nyo ba maging salesman or a global entrepreneur na nakakatutulungan nyo yung mga tao, no? Para makamit yung gusto nila sa buhay. So, always try to choose, no, the best. Okay? Don't settle. Okay? So, gusto niyo po ba ng mini-mart or online Walmart? So, nasa niyo na po yan. So, you can compare this to anything that you're doing now. So, monthly income of 40,000, 400,000, 900, or even mas malaki. Okay? So, this is how you value your time. Okay? Do what is worth it. No? So, ito pong business natin is more on system. System-based po siya na nakapanahon na global success na sinishare natin dun sa mga nakarating na sa kanila na separate na po, documented, and they are sharing it to us para hindi na po tayo ligaw-ligaw ang magkamali sa ginagawa natin. So, meron po tayong tools and system na lahat po tayo pwede natin siya gawin. So, this is a global business and global opportunity. So, it began with the simple e-commerce business idea transferred into thoughts and executed in a real action na nangyayari na po sa buong mundo ngayon. Which is Philippines na huli, pero karamihan po, like we went to Malaysia and other countries, they're having this life na parang bakit tayo hindi natin alam because we were not educated and we were not taught. So this is more about looking young, feeling young, and achieving quality life. Okay? So yung vision po ng founder is they create the system na timely trend, no, on how to generate income with a youth enhancement para po we can stay happy, live young, and look young with this kind of products. So we are distributing youth enhancement globally with a timely trend of business and a proven system on how to do it. Okay? So this is like Uber, okay? Try to imagine Uber. Marami po ngayon na may sasakyan, no? Kumakabit sila sa Uber. And Uber is the one that has that system. Right? So yung Uber, gumawa siya ng system na lahat po ng Uber sa buong mundo, no, na may sasakyan, affiliate sa, uma-affiliate o kumakabit sa Uber, who makes the money? Who makes the money most? It's the Uber, right? It's the one that made that system. Okay? So, in our business, it's the same. So we have that system, and whoever affiliates with us, whether directly kilala nyo o hindi, you make money. Simple as that. All right? So Airbnb, the same concept, and Alibaba. Okay? And Genius, the same thing. So in Genius, you will have your own system, which is your you will have your own online global store and replicated website. Anyone that you share it to will have their own website then na nandun na po lahat. You can manage and you can ship. No, you don't need to ship any products. All right, you don't need to have an office, and you don't need to hire people to do this. Okay, when you share something good, products or what, you make money while sharing it, while they are sharing it in over 141 countries without shipping po. Right? So, our products is more on youth enhancement system na meron po tayong separate slide. Ano yung pagkakaiba niya sa iba sa buong mundo na panglabas at pangloob. So, we are more on hindi lang po talagang babata literally, natatanggal yung kulubot, kundi for pangpahaba ng buhay, longevity, and it's with a back-up, proven science and solid facts and evidences. Alright? So, we are more on magkakaedad po tayo pero hindi po tayo tatanda, literally. So, we are in a different field of products or businesses. So, we ship our products in over 141 countries na wala na po kayong gagawin. Alright? So, ang gagawin nyo lang po, so nangyayari po siya sa mga mundo global movement. Okay? So, meron po tayong office sa iba-ibang bansa and meron din po tayo sa ito po yung main office natin sa Florida. Pero po, hindi po natin kailangan ng office. This all being done online without you going to the office to get the products and ship it to LBC or what. May system po tayo na kahit nasan po kayo ngayon. No? Pinoy man kayo, hindi man Pinoy, nasan man kayo, sinishare nyo lang po yung link. Pwede nyo na po gawin yung business, ishipusan nyo na wala po kayong nahawakan totally. So ito po yung pinaka-concept. Kayo po, magkakaroon kayo ng global website. Okay? You will get your product and you will be qualified to do this business and have the opportunity of having this life and sharing it to others to have that quality life too. So you will have your own website, online global store. When you share it to someone, either they are from Singapore, they are from Dubai, they are from anywhere in 141 countries or in more than 141 countries, no? Nakalink po yun, sarili nilang website like your own website. Sa website nyo, and once they do the business or once someone buys products or anything, you make money and you can make as much as 1.1 million a week or more than that. So make as much as 5 million or more than that, no? So we have 6 ways to earn money and we have a different slide or compensation plan for you, to see the video and the details. Or you may contact me at 0995 0995 988 3126 and my Facebook is Kim Drayan Montemayor. And I can help you, you can even ask for my help and I'll help you share this opportunity to your friends. And yung friends niyo po, saan niyo po sila, team up. So you're looking for business partners here, who wanted to make real, global, huge income. So ito po yung website nyo. Let's say kayo po ito, sarah.junasglobal.com. You share your link to your friend in Dubai, and that your friend in Dubai will fill out the form, once na-click yung link. Then, mamimili lang po siya ng package. Then, in real time, she will have her own website like yours. And sa website po niya, pwede na rin po niyang gawin yung business instantly to anyone, anywhere in the world. So, maglalagin lang po siya username and password dun sa fill out niya kanina. Alright? Then, sa loob po nun, nandan po lahat ng details and you can manage your business. So, I disclaim this income as mine, but this is a representation na may kumikita po ng ganito and mas malaki pa. Now, let's say, sinare niyo po ito, ito na po yung ano niya mismo, instantly yung website niya, makikita niyo yung income niya, and everything na kasama niya. So again, I disclaim na, example lang to, Example, baka maano ako dito eh. So, hindi po natin ginagawa. Hindi po tayo nang-hype, hindi pa tayo nagpakita ng pera. Bawal po yun and all. No? You can ask me about anything. So, ito po yung kasama nyo sa buong mundo na hindi nyo nakilala. And we have a proven system and tools na para gawin nyo po. Hindi po kayo nagtatrabaho para sa system. You use the system to your advantage. No? And this is an e-commerce global business. You can distribute your products to over 141 countries without any problem with logistics and having your own office. All right? And it's a real global income. Okay? You can use Zoom Cloud. So, yung pagkakaiba natin is we are really global. Okay? So, yung founder po natin is Wendy Lewis. She is the most colorful woman in this industry. Siya yung most awarded, no? Sa industry na to. And ito po yung mga awards, and we are breaking record after record after record. In fact, now we are number 18 in just 7 years. And tingnan niyo po sa fastest growing company, nandiyan po tayo sa 500. And tayo lang po yung company na nakapasok sa top 500, no, sa Amerika na fast, na nag-grow talaga. Right? So, with all these nominated companies, Google, etc., in 2014, we won the most number of awards. Okay? So, stable po yung business natin. And, let's see, yun. Nag-billion dollar po tayo in just 6 years. In 5th year po na nag-billion dollar tayo na sa isang taon lang po na sales na yun. And with all these marketing tools and lahat po ng mga awards video, dun po ako na active. Kung gaano ka-professional po yung company natin. And comparing this to all the companies that existed and they had and reached that level of $1 billion in more than 20 years, yun lang po, ang less than 10 years na $1 billion sales and became a $1 billion company in just less than 10 years na ka-level po niya yung sa mga traditional, which is Facebook, Apple, and all. So we are under direct selling company. Okay? So in just 6 years, yun po. So nag-accumulate din po tayo ng 3 billion sales. And if you talk about business, of course, sasakay po tayo kung saan nandun yung momentum. Okay? So ito po yung trending ng Junes. Okay? So from 30 million sales to billion. So yun po. So, tumutulong din po ang Junes. In fact, nung sa Yolanda po natin nag-donate siya, and we are feeding over 2 million children and families all over the world, and we are building communities. Alright? So, Junes tied up with Global Village, and we call our foundation Junes Kids. So, ganun po siya, ang endeavor ng Junes. Okay, so, you already have the winning formula, mega trend of business, which is global, innovative biotechnology, which is our products, and we have the timely opportunity and the revolutionary global business model. So, kung man nagtanong sa inyo, ano po ba yan? Ganun, no, it's not. It's a new business model. It's not revolutionized. Better than the traditional, better than the network marketing na nandun dyan. It's more on the e-commerce global platform na yung idea niya talaga is panahon at nakapagpatunay, no? With their achievements na ganun siya kagaling na para sa lahat at kayang gawin ng lahat at kaya niyo po din gawin. So, ang pagkaiba niya sa ibang business, kung kayo nagtayo ng business, kayo lang kumikita dito, habang kumikita kayo, natutulungan niyo pa yung ibang tao na kumita rin. Kasi hindi kayo mag-grow kung hindi niyo, wala kayo ng puso na tumulong sa iba, which is, malidiscuss ko sa inyo yan when we talk about it. Okay? So, now is your chance to design your life. Every success begins with a decision. Join now and create your success. So, ito pong opportunity na ito, sana nalaman ko pa ng mas maaga, no? So, medyo late ko nalaman. And then, nung nalaman ko po, ang tagal ko pa bago pinag-aralan at kumilos. Sa alam po ako talaga gumalaw nung we went in other countries, doon namin nakita. And then, we met, no? A lot of highly educated, no education, a lot of talagang ma-amaze po kayo, no? Anak ni Jet Li nandito, and maraya pa pong iba, may-ari ng casino sa Macau. They gave away, actually in 2014, 5 Mercedes-Benz, no? Yung luxury Mercedes-Benz. And for every country na nag-official launch raffle po free Mercedes-Benz. And hindi ba po nag-official lang sa Pilipinas? And I believe that other countries like Thailand, Hong Kong, and Indonesia, they made it, no? How much more Philippines? So I believe in you and believe in yourself. You can do this. All right? So we can do this together. Okay? So ito po yung pinaka background ng although we have a better presentation sa ibang slide, kaya lang I'm parang speeding up para mas makuha niyo, mas mabilisan niyo. We can do this in a traditional way of doing a seminar, and we can do it here on Zoom online. Okay? So let's maximize the technology. So yung panglabas po natin is siya po ay kilala sa Hollywood. So siya yung nag-formulate and nakapatent po yung formula dito is stem cell-based technology. So hindi ko na pa i-elaborate. Ganito lang po ang ginagawa niya. Naturally, pinapabata po yung mukha natin with the technology which is the growth factors. No? Hindi po to chemical or so whatsoever. So ito po siya. Ginagawa niya. Right? Wrinkles, eye bags, all, pecas, and all. Naturally. Okay? So sugat, mga kamot, and everything. Okay? So kung may gusto kayong ibang product, so gamitin nyo lang. Makakompare nyo po siya. Right? So yung panloob po natin is more on cellular repair. O yung hindi po kayang gawin ng ibang supplements or any products or mga gamot dyan is we get old because our cells get damaged. Okay? When our cells get damaged, dun po tayo naliling sa sakit-sakit at tumatanda. So si Vincent Giampapa po, yung nag-formulate ng panloob, is a certified anti-aging physician. They are dealing with the molecular or whatever, no, na hindi ko alam. But our products really work, and he served as a consultant in NASA, and na-nominate po siya na Nobel Prize, no, noong 2014. Okay? Nominated po siya. Nasa Discovery Science channel din po siya. Check na lang po sa YouTube. Lahat po sinasabi ko sa inyo ngayon. You can find it in YouTube, in Google, and all. So we don't hype. We tell the facts and real stories na makakatulong po sa inyo. So what is Juniors about? Juniors is about hindi po tayo naghanap na may sakit, no, para bentahan ng products, no. We are in a health business. All right? So yung products natin, ito yung pinaka main idea, no? Generation Young is for the new generation of people that no longer count their age. Tandaan niyo po yan. So you can be as old as let's say 60s or 70s, but you can be healthier than 40s. Why? That depends on how healthy your cells are. Nasa cellular age po tayo. So, yung cells natin po, nadadamage po yan ng 60 trillion. Meron tayong 60 trillion cells na nadadamage po siya every day, 1 million. So, habang nadadamage po siya, no, to stress and all sa kinakain natin, doon po tayo tumatanda. And yung mga components or reasons, no, with solid facts and evidences, na-decode po natin yun. If we can repair that genes, no, para bumalik na mag-repair cells natin, mag-revert po back and hindi po tayo tatanda. At literally, but at least konti-konti, no? Kasi hindi pa nalaman. Kung hindi na kita tanda, na-repair na totally cells nyo, ay immortal na po tayo lahat. Wala pa po tayo sa ganong stage na sa cell regeneration support pa lang po tayo, but not 100% pa. Right? So, these are chromosomes. Let's say, ganun po. Okay? So yung genes po natin, ito po yung DNA natin, ito po yung pinaka-blueprint natin na every time na damage to, no, hindi mo tayo matanda. So, yung proteins nabubuo sa buong pagkatawan natin. So, yung 3 major causes of aging, yung ina-address po ng products natin. Alright? So, yung DNA damage, na-damage siya, which is hindi kayang any other ordinary supplements or gamot, no? Let's say, ano tayo sa asukal, yung po yung glycation na nagdidikit-dikit, no? Yung dugo natin naging malapot. Thus, hindi po maganda kahit kayo ng diabetes and all. So, yan pa yung nangyayari sa loob na nagda-damage yung cells. Gusto niyo pong tumanda, mas kumain po kayo ng matatamis para mag-wrinkles po kayo. Okay? Which is, we have a remedy for that. No? So, ito po yung cells nyo. Let's say, isang cells nyo, nag-duplicate siya. Ito, nag-replicate. Habang nag-replicate po yung cells natin, dumadami. Kung damage po siya, damage na. But our products works within our cells sa loob. Ang nire-repair po niya, na hindi kaya ng ibang supplements, na habang before siya mag-replicate, na ayos na po niya. No? Yun po yung pinaka-main purpose, no, na nagawa ng ating products na hindi nagawa ng iba. As you stay young, look young, and happy, no? Marami pong nagawa. So ito po si Dr. Sinclair, nakapag siya po yung naka-discover ng resveratrol, which is nasa reserve natin, and our reserve has the highest antioxidant, no, sa buong mundo. Okay? I can prove to you, no, yung resveratrol may clinically validated over 8,000 na hindi na updated to, na marami siyang benefit sa lahat, no? So, ang ginagawa ng resveratrol, pinapaluwag niya yung bloodstreams natin, thus it prevent us from having any of those heart attacks and all, rheuma, and lahat, and sakit ng ulo, high blood, and all. Alright? So, with the details, you can ask me about it. So, ito po yung nagawa niya. So, you can just search, no, sa YouTube, nandun naman yung lahat. No? Yung resveratrol naka-combine sa reserve, which has 7 or 8 other super antioxidants. So yung aging genes natin, no, ini-stop niya, binubuhay niya yung youthful genes, no? Kaya po tayo malakas, healthy tayo, and all, at hindi tayo magkukulubot, and lahat. Right? So, yung proof na nakakapasok siya sa live cells natin, no? Meron tayong tinatawag na CAP-E test. No? Ano po yan? Hindi ko po alam, hindi po ako doktor. Pero siya yung pag-determine na nakakapasok yung patokan sa live cells, which very few molecules can do that. Ni-repair niya live cells natin. No? And highest po tayo sa buong mundo. Right? So, ganun po siya. So, hindi ko sinasabing gamot siya, but if you are taking any of these medicines for your heartburn, for yung reserve po, mag-activate niya yung sirtuin genes sa lahat po, no? Ginagawa niya, no? To improve it. Even butas-butas na tiyan, yung cancer growth ng tumor, binababa niya, and marami pong iba na it can help, no? But with this claim that it's a cure, although there are countless of testimonies na nakakapagpabuti sa maraming tao sa buong mundo. Alright? So, we have also the Affinity and AMPM, no? And this is for, ito po yung pinaka-catch ng Affinity natin. No? Ito po yung cell natin. Okay? So, ito po yung chromosomes, no? Sa loob ng chromosomes may DNA. Habang nag-replicate po yung cell natin, yung dulo po ng chromosomes, which is yung telomere, umiiksi din po yan. So, nag-replicate, umiiksi. Kita niyo po. No? Umiiksi. Tumami, umiiksi. Until such time na pinaka-maiksi na pag maiksing-maiksi na yan, doon na tayo mamamatay or nakalik na tayo sa maraming sakit. Right? So, as our cell divides, no, our telomere shortens. Ito po yung pangalawang cause bakit tayo nag-age, no, sa loob. So, ang ginagawa ng product natin, pinapahaba po yan. Na Affinity is the only known patented nutrient shown to lengthen telomeres in human. So, pag maiksing-maiksi na po yan, ito po yung magkakaroon. Lahat po, bulyanin, and lahat. So, binabalik po niya. So, yun yung pangalawa. So, wala pa akong alam na products na kasing galing ng products ng Junels na they works synergistically, no, together, no, para to produce, no, yung kailangan ng katawan natin to stay healthy and young. Right? Yung AMPM naman po, para masarap yung tulog natin sa araw, sa umaga, makapag-function tayo ng mabuti. Alright? So, kikinis po yung balat natin sa AMPM kasi na-absorb po natin yung nutrients ng lahat ng kinakain natin, unlike pag wala siya. Kasi po, namimili tayo as we age na masustansyang pagkain, pag hindi rin din po natin siya na-absorb, useless din po. So, ito pong AMPM, binabalik niyo po yung absorption. Pinapalakas niyo yung digestion natin at pag-absorb ng proper nutrients. That's yung makukuha nyo na kakrak o yung buhok nyo na manipis or what. Binabalik niya po niya yung strength, no? Kaya na-explain ko natin, pati yung skin natin, yung pores natin lumiliit and all. Okay? So, ganun po siya. And for our nerves. Right? So, ang nagkakos po ng problem natin, sinosolve natin yung causes, which is yung nangyayari sa loob ng cells, yun yung ni-repair po ng product natin na panloob. Okay, just to share one of the testimonies, no? Si Pastor nahulog siya sa OFW siya, nahulog siya sa hagdan, basag yung buto niya sa likod. So he spent 5 million, no? Para na matreat siya, wala pa nangyari. So no hope na po siya. So kung bulaw siya ng kaliwa, may pain siya, kanan or what. So if there's a measurement of 1 to 10 pain, sabi niya the pain is 15. So when he took this, no, for just days na wala yung pain, and for 3 months, normal na po siya, and now he can play basketball. And so ito po talaga yung nagtaka ko, no, without operation or anything, no, okay po siya. Although we are not saying na these products are made for that, but I'm just sharing na this is how potent our product is. So hindi lang po yan, marami po pong iba, no, na ailment na pwede siyang tulungan. All right? So just get the package in order for you to qualify for the business. The higher the package, the better. And have a separate video po para malaman niyo po siya. So ito po siya, like kayo po, anyone that joins, no, Singapore, Malaysia, and in over 131 countries, nakalink po, naka-affiliate po sa inyo as your business partners. So you are looking for business partners, CEO mindset, no, na wanted to have that quality life, no, and wanted to achieve their vision. Together, you work together para ma-achieve yon. So you are the boss. This is your business. You are not working it. You're working for Jeunesse, or you're not working for anyone else. You're working for your future, okay? And you are designing your life, right? So you can make as much as 1.1 million a week, or even higher kung mas sisipagan nyo pa. So wala pang flash at to, walang limit yung income nyo, walang border po yung business nyo. It's a borderless income opportunity for everyone, regardless of who you are, kasi may proven system po tayo para gawin po ito. Alright? So you can travel the world, you can do whatever you want. So compare your life starting now, 1, 2, or 3 years. Ano po yung makakuha nyo, how you value your time, how you use your time, and all, comparing it kung wala to. Kung ano man yung meron dyan, you can do it, but you can compare, no? This is, okay, yung winning formula nasa atin na po. So, we met a lot of people, successful people around the world, and if you want to be really successful, surround yourself with successful people. We have a process and a proven way and training and everything, no? So that you can know this business. And you don't need to be an expert in this business, no? While you are learning, you are making money. And kahit po yung mga successful na dito, they say this is a continuous learning na habang buhay, we learn. So, have a big dream, be ambitious, but humble. And in this business, you are not doing this alone, and you cannot grow this alone. No, you cannot grow this business without helping others to grow, right? So yun po yung kinagandahan nun. Okay? So you can download your Zoom, Zoom application, okay? And also your WhatsApp. Okay? So it's up to you. Your success is you. Hindi po sa amin. You fail or succeed, nasa inyo po yun. We're just giving you the right vehicle. Alright? So, ganun po siya. So, God bless. More power to you. Kaya nyo po ito.